Are you a fresh graduate, eager to dive into the transformative world of clean energy? If you're armed with a degree in electrical or electronics engineering and a drive to make a difference, this might just be the opportunity you've been waiting for. Picture yourself at ReNew, a leading decarbonization solutions provider, the first Indian clean energy company to boldly venture into the future, carving a path for others to follow. As a graduate engineer trainee, you could be an integral part of our manufacturing plant based in Dholera, Gujarat. At ReNew, we believe in nurturing talent. As a trainee, you'd be welcomed into a team of seasoned professionals, each with their unique insights and experience. You'd be given the chance to learn, grow, and experience the thrill of working in a fast-paced environment. This is no ordinary training program. It's a journey of discovery, challenge, and transformation. You'll be expected to flex your analytical and communication skills, demonstrating your ability to work under pressure and manage ambiguity. A working knowledge of MS Office Suite will be crucial, and your go-getter attitude will serve you well as you navigate the challenges and opportunities that come your way. But it's not just about the skills you bring to the table. At ReNew, we're looking for individuals who are energized and highly motivated, with a burning passion to contribute to the clean energy space. We value pioneers who are ready to take responsibility and strive for excellence. If you resonate with these values, then you could be the perfect fit for our team. Imagine the sense of accomplishment you'd feel, knowing that you're contributing to a cleaner, greener future. This isn't just a job, it's a chance to make a real impact, and the journey starts here. So, are you ready to take the first step towards an electrifying career in clean energy? If the answer is yes, don't hesitate. Check the video description for the registration link. It's time to power up your career with ReNew. Your journey awaits.